We're here at the Motorcyclopedia Museum in Newburgh, New York, September 7th.
Hi, my name's Steve Barber from Saugerties, New York. Great crowd here today. We've got about 70 guys that are going to go cross country with us, and a lot of great people came out to support me. Got a lot of family, got grandma and aunt, and mom, lots of people here.
It looks like there's a lot of people here came to see us off. A lot of motorcycle enthusiasts, a lot of people are looking at the bikes, they've got questions, and we're just having a good time. I don't know where else I'd want to be today.
Hi, welcome to Wellsboro, Pennsylvania. I'm Scott Jacobs, and we went 210 miles today. I did it on my 1926 Harley-Davidson J. The terrain was nice, windy, hilly, you know, it wasn't anything too extreme. It's beautiful, a lot of rivers.